Red Flag 4 were projects that were seen by the committee as repeating themselves, exactly the same or very, very similar line items from the 2025 budget. Now, there were a total of 946 projects that were identified, amounting to 14.455 billion pesos. No, we are here to report to the committee that as of yesterday, we were able to provide validation and justification of 798 out of the 946 projects, roughly amounting to 66 billion pesos out of the 14.455 billion pesos. Marami dito napansin natin, Mr. Chairman, mga continuation of projects that have already been funded in past budgets. No? Now, obviously, was not sufficient to complete the project. So these are continuations of that. But now, very clearly, in the pictures and in the geotag, and also, next slide, the straight line diagrams as seen here. So these are all the supporting documents that we have furnished. The balance, hindi ho natapos, pero may deadline po tayong binigay. So, we are requesting in the letter for time, if we can have more time, but of course, we leave this up to the committee. Kung sabihin nyo po, Mr. Chairman, na hanggang kahapon na lang, then please feel free to remove the other projects, the balance between the 798 and the 946 from the budget. We will leave that up to the committee. So, but if you give us enough time, more time, we will try our best to validate and justify and provide the details similar to what we have provided yesterday. But if not, Mr. Chairman, by all means, tanggalin nyo na lang po, Mr. Chairman, yung mga line item na yan. We leave that up to the committee's prerogative na po, Mr. Chairman. Dito po sa 798, wala pong nakita. Lahat yun po ay na-validate given the submissions. Dun sa remaining 148, hindi po natin alam. So, that's why, Mr. Chairman, ako po, I will put it on the record. If the committee will not grant us any more time, please feel free po to just remove that.
Well, Sec, ganito, kung wala naman kayo na-detect na totoong repeated, no? Yung inulit talaga.
Hindi ko pa po masasabi doon sa 148.
Yeah,
Mr.
sabihin,
Chairman.
itong initial review nyo, kung wala naman kayo na-detect na totoong repeated, meaning in good faith, no? These are all continuation, then we can give you until Friday to complete.
Thank you.
Kasi by Wednesday, mag-umpisa na yung aming technical working group. So, we'll schedule lang DPWH towards the end para mabigyan namin kayo ng time. Kung wala kayong nakitang bad faith.
Dito po sa 798, wala.
Okay.
Doon po sa 148, hindi ko pa po masasabi.
Yeah. Pero konti na lang yun. So, katapusin
na lang yun. So, we will, thank you, Mr. Chairman, for this, and we will instruct the implementing units to do their validation. No? Pero hindi ko pa po masasabi.
Yes.
But we will inform the committee in writing formally kung meron pong nakita at kung ano yung mga nakitang yon na tapos na pala pero pinasok pa rin.